A new legendary helicopter just dropped with a completely new design. I swear it amazed me, and in this video we're going to test it together and see if it's worth or not. Before that, don't forget to write the helicopter out of 10 in the comments. And guys, I've been working for 7 months and will still haven't reached 500 subscribers. So legend, drop a like, subscribe and get ready for the legendary videos coming soon. To begin with, I really liked the design because it's completely new, and also the strong discount, which is a huge deal. As for the specs, I see it as the strongest helicopter, except in durability. It is similar to the other strong helicopters, but when it comes to speed, vision and stealth, it's very powerful. And now let's see the weapons. A strong machine gun reach 30,000 damage, and more than that it hit the submarine while it's in the water. First missile 45,000 damage. This is considered legendary, man. Second missile 21,000 damage. Excellent, especially the speed of firing and reloading. Third missile 31,000 damage, and total attacks reached 128,000 damage. Which means you can destroy a frigate with it. Don't forget to rate it and tell us what you like it and what you don't like it, and see you soon, bro.